If you're still struggling with your SEO in 2026, don't worry, I gotcha. This is Claude SEO. It's a skill I built for Claude Code. This isn't one tool, it's 12. 12 specialized skills that know what they're doing. Here we're talking about SEO Audit, which is a full website audit. We have SEO Page, which is a deep single page analysis. We have SEO Sitemap, which is analyzes existing XML sitemap. SEO Sitemap Generation, SEO Schema, which detects, validates, and generates schema. We have SEO Images, which is image optimization analysis. Technical SEO, Content SEO, which is EAT and content quality analysis. My personal favorite, which is SEO GEO, based on generative engine optimization. So if you have any specific content, pages, or blogs that you want them to be optimized in a specific structure, so it will help you optimize those pages. So the content will be cited by AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Perplexity. We have also SEO Plan, which is a strategic SEO planning. We have programmatic SEO, classic programmatic SEO. We have competitor pages, which is competitor comparison, page generation, and also our SEO hreflang. So for review, let me show you exactly how this skill works and how it can help optimize your page so you can be seen by the world. Let's dive right into it. I'm going to run a full website audit. Just watch what happens. I'm going to put / here, SEO audit. I'm going to put my page run kenstein.pro. I'm going to press on enter. And that's it. Right now, the agent knows exactly what he's doing. He will start identifying the page itself. I'm going to just choose this to bypass permission right here. So he's forming a plan. He already knows exactly what to do. He will pull first the homepage, which is Frankenstein.pro, as you see right there. So he's identifying right here what sort of business it is. Is it a SaaS? Is it a local business or anything else? Then he is pulling the sitemap and robust text right here. So why sitemap is required? So it checks all the pages that we have, and now we're going to audit each and every one of them one by one. He also, as you can see right here, he has also a to-dos list. So first he fetched the homepage, as I mentioned before, so he can identify exactly what sort of niche and business it is. Next, we have the crawl site structure internal links. So it checks all the pages. It runs the technical SEO analysis. Then it runs the schema and structured data analysis, performance analysis, visual and mobile analysis. So he will also use Playwright. It's a tool that lets AI to visually view your page in a way, and he will identify also that. And then in the end, he will generate an SEO health score and final report. That's it. And afterwards, I can just ask, hey, listen, craft for me a prompt for my other AI agent that will do the fixes, let's say, for my page. Or at the same time, if I want for a deeper review, I'll just ask, hey, generate for me a PDF. I want to have a PDF with visuals. And he will do that. Then I'm going to analyze. And we'll even look right here. He's running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 agents in parallel that are doing all this job. So it doesn't take you hours. It doesn't take you, let's say, 10 or 20 minutes. It will take you maybe no more than 2 or 3 minutes for it to fully analyze your page, which is damn fantastic. So I'm going to fast forward this till he finishes. I'm going to show you the results, and afterwards I'll try to generate a PDF so you can also view exactly what sort of report he is crafting. So maybe if you want, you can share it with your clients or with your partners, or even for yourself, so you can use for reference to make relevant updates so your page can rank. So just 3 minutes has passed here. He scraped all the pages. I would say here depends a lot on how many pages your website has. So if it has more than 100 pages, maybe it'll take a little bit longer. But overall, look at this. We have the full SEO audit report. We have the overall SEO health score currently, which is quite bad, by the way. It's a 57 out of 100 because we're currently just building the website, right? We just indexed it maybe like 1 week ago. And we're working right now on the SEO because that's one point that why I introduced this skill, why this skill was created. So it will help me with everything SEO related. Yeah. Even right now, we have the score breakdown, which is technical SEO, content quality, on-page SEO. I'll even zoom it so you'll be able to see. Oh, not this, like this. I'll be able to zoom it so you'll be able to see. So we have here the technical SEO score. Right here, we have the content quality. We have the on-page SEO score, the schema structure, performance, images, and also AI search readiness, which is quite bad. And now my mission will be just to work on that and make the improvements. It also came here with a full audit report. If I'm going to open this, you have also here the full audit report of our specific website right now. Yeah, structure quality. We have also the on-page SEO score. If you scroll down, so everything needed for us to, if we need to improve our website, because that's the point of this skill, is to make sure that the world sees you, right? And here we have also an action plan. So we can even feed this to an AI agent. So I can just even copy this and I can paste it inside my Frankenstein agent. And also here we have screenshots. And now I can even ask, like, hey, listen, based on your overall audit, please craft for me a PDF document, well arranged and set, so I can use for reference. Before that, I'm going to press on compact. And then I'm going to press on send this message. Your PDF is ready at here. Boom. And this is the PDF that it crafted. Let me try even to magnify it a bit so you'll be able to see exactly what it crafted, because it's damn fantastic. Here we have a comprehensive SEO audit report for Rankenstein Pro. Here we have the overall health score. If I'm going to scroll down, we have also the table of contents. We have the executive summary of everything, the technical SEO, content quality, on-page SEO, schema, performance, images, AI search, and overall score for the SEO. We have top 5 critical issues. We have technical SEO, security headers, open graph and social media tags. We have the content quality. We have the blog content analysis, the critical content issues, and much more. And now, let me show exactly another skill that will definitely save you a lot of time. So the second skill we're going to try right now is going to be the SEO schema. So I'm going to push here /SEO, and I'm going to write here schema, right? And now here, you need to give it one of the pages, yours. So maybe I'm going to enter here a website. My website, let's say, for example, in this case, I'm going to go for Rankenstein.pro. Maybe I'm going to choose the About page right now. So just to check the schema of the About page, copying it, going back, pasting it, send right now. So what it will do right now, it will scan the page. It will find every piece of structure that we have on the page, like the JSON-LD, the microdata, the RDFA, and validates all of it. Yeah. And tells us exactly what is missing in regards to our page structure. And it knows what's deprecated, by the way, because it has those system prompts, and that skill is specifically made for schema. So let's wait for it to finish. I'm just going to even also again fast forward it, and I'm going to show you exactly the results which are happening. And that's done. It's just, again, it took around 1 minute and 20 seconds to do everything. Start with schema analysis for Rankenstein.pro about, for example, current health is 4 out of 10, which is 3 JSON-LD blocks found, all identical, homepage and pricing right now. Yeah. So here also what's wrong. And also at the same time, files generated the schema report. We have also full schema report that I can just easily copy once again and put it in my own agent that will going to help me optimize this page. Also have generated schema JSON. So here we have already ready to build schema that we can use for our website. So I can just even copy this whole. I can just go to my Rankenstein SEO assistant, and I will just paste the schema right here and say, hey, listen, apply the same schema right there. Yep. Now going back here, I'm going to also show you another one very important skill. As I mentioned before, it's my favorite. So I'm going to just put /SEO GEO, and then I'm going to just put also exact same page. And this is fantastic. So it will analyze also how visible our content is to AI searches, like, hey, can ChatGPT crawlbot or Claude crawl or Perplexity crawl your pages, you know? And do you have any limits, like, or do you have at least those, let's say, LLMs text files, or are your paragraph the right length to be cited? Because there's a sweet spot, if really, between 134 to 167 per passage, and if you're outside that, AI agents will skip you because AIs are quite lazy. And right now, it's fetching our page. And again, I'm going to just fast forward this. I want to show you exactly the results of this skill also. So the agent just now finished, and goodness, I'm looking right here at this score. I'm like, okay, now this is exactly what I'm going to be working after this video. Because right now our page is very new, our website, our platform, because I've been working on this with my partner, Benjamin. We're creating Rankenstein. So if you don't know what Rankenstein is, you can just, Google it, or you can just search for it. I'm going to even put the link in the description because it's a content creator, the best content creator in the world. Anyway, my point right now is I'm going to turn this from a 27 at least into 85 out of 100. I'm going to make sure that this whole page is optimized. And how I can do that, I can just ask Claude, hey, listen, craft for me a prompt for my AI agent. Additionally, I can just take this report and I can just feed it to my current Claude agent right here that will take care of everything. Yeah, because this is my mission right now. Hey, I want my website to be found by people. I want it to be crawled, so it will be recommended also in AI searches, and that will be my next mission, I would say. And additionally, guys, just for information, we do have a few guardrails here. So if I'm going to go back to the GitHub, here even put quality gates. I'm going to just tell you around here. So the quality gates warning at 100 pages. So let's say if you're, because it's a lot of context, for AI. So it will stop, let's say warning at 30 location pages. So it will give you also quality gates. So to make sure that, hey, all the pages are proper and also the system is properly processing all of your pages to provide you that specific data based on the audit that it's currently doing. And I would say basically that's it. This is Claude SEO. It's our beautiful, ultimate, mega Claude Code skill for everything SEO related. We're gonna work more on it. Maybe in future we're gonna apply also more updates as we go. But it does its job well. It crafts these beautiful reports. And yeah, it's doing everything SEO related. I think now you don't need to use any more 5 different SEO tools. Everything is covered into one and it's there. You can just download it, guys. It's there in on GitHub. You're gonna find the link down in the description. And just let me show you how easy it is to set it up. So let's say you enter this git, which is github.com, Aggressive Daniel Claude SEO. Yeah. And here you can just have one command to install on Unix, MacOS, or Linux. So you can just copy this. You can just open your own terminal. I will just even open it right here, and I can just paste this command and it will do everything and it will install everything. So usage Claude SEO audit. Now I can just write Claude right here. Mr. Claude will appear. I'm going to just put SEO and I have here all the SEO needed. It's that simple. If it doesn't work, don't worry. You can just install Claude inside your terminal or VS Code. And there you can just copy this whole git and just say, like, I'll just even open one Claude. So just to show right here, like, hey, read this git and download, and you can just put this link from GitHub and it will do everything for you guys. One more thing, if you want to use Visual Studio Code, not in a terminal, because there are 2 ways to run this. Either you can use a terminal, which not many people with programmatic capabilities can do it, right? Or you can use Visual Studio Code. Even for that, I have prepared another repo, so I'm going to also attach it inside the description. I'm just going to close this. So also there's another repo if you want that will install everything for you. I'm going to just open it right here. And here we have also, where was it? Claude Code Essential VS Code. So if you want to have the exact same setup as I'm having with Visual Studio Code right here, you can just also use this repo for reference. It will install everything in regards to VS Code and also Claude Code totally. So same thing. If you don't know how to install it, you can just easily install it also with one command, either on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Yep. And guys, I would say basically that's it. This is Claude SEO. I'll open him in full so you'll be able to see our dear Claude SEO. I'm going to make myself also bigger, and I'm going to make this on top. And I'm putting myself here, right there. Guys, this was Claude SEO. It's an exceptional skill. It really does its job very well. It follows best practices till the present day, which is February 8th, 2026. We're going to apply maybe some other updates in future as we go, but the job it does, it's equal to one full SEO agency. So for anyone watching right now, I want to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. You're the one that keeps me going, guys. Also, if you want, you can join our AI Marketing Hub community. I want to also put the link down in the description where you can keep yourself also up to date, where you can find some really cool workflows that can help you also rank. And I would say basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Daniel checking out.